But they pretty much just made it so that they could all get their stuff in before the rules changed, and when it was, all their little
They
cronies.
I don't know, it's a 60-day grace period or whatever it
Yeah.
was. They had a deadline of it, and that's one of the differences between contracts and accounts, because
Mm-hmm.
contracts have effective dates. Accounts are whatever they are, which is why we happen to like the properties of contracts as opposed to retirement accounts, right? The account treatment is based on the tax code, and the tax code is based on whatever the majority in Congress votes on. Whereas contracts usually requires a 2/3 vote. I'm glad we're still neck and neck. It preserves what we've got going on so far. And what's interesting is that in recent years, because of the interest rate environment, remember, we were in a lower interest rate environment until a couple of years ago, and members, the advocates and the lobbying parties of these companies went to Congress. They basically said, and different members of the finance committees and such like that, can we lower the minimum guarantee rate? And this is an important thing. We'll talk about what that really is. The minimum guarantee rate in life insurance, because at the time that the laws were set, again in the 80s, higher inflation, somewhat similar to what we have now, they set up the minimum contract rate as 4%.